This is now how to make the healthy garlic flatbread. So the reason it's healthy is because it's got spelt flour instead of white flour, and it's got no yeast in it, and it's alkaline. So you're going to be needing some coconut oil. This is what I use, 100% organic virgin coconut oil. A bit of sea salt, don't really need to show you that. A cup of flour, again I'm using spelt flour. Some warm water, which is here. 1/3 of a cup of warm water. And that is what we're going to start with to make the actual dough. And then for the topping, you'll need some olive oil, a garlic clove, and some fresh basil, finely chopped. So I'm going to get on with the first thing. Mix the dry ingredients in the bowl. So in a medium bowl, combine the spelt flour and the sea salt. A 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, but I just put like a few twists in. Next, you need to add the wet ingredients, so gradually add warm water and coconut oil to the flour mixture. Start mixing with a spoon, then use your hands to form a soft dough. If it feels too dry, add a bit more water, a teaspoon at a time. Now a tablespoon of coconut oil. Now this is what it's looking like, and then now you need to transfer the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Now you need to rest the dough. Cover the dough with a clean cloth and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. While you're letting the dough sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, you might as well get going with preparing the garlic basil topping. So just mince up a garlic clove and chop up very finely a tablespoon of basil. And then in a small bowl, mix a tablespoon of olive oil, the minced garlic, the chopped basil, and a pinch of sea salt, and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes. After you've let the dough sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, you need to now divide the dough into 2 equal portions, roll each into a ball, then flatten them into circles about 1/4 of an inch thick. Now heat a pan over medium heat and cook each flatbread for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until lightly browned and slightly puffed up. Now I'm just going to put mine on a low at the start because it's a cast iron, and then I might make it heat it up a bit more to about a medium after a short while. I've now increased the heat after about 40 seconds, and I'm now going to make sure it doesn't stick. I'm just going to keep moving them a bit and do them for about 2 minutes on each side. I've done mine for a bit longer because I like mine quite well done. I could have done them probably a bit thinner so that they cooked a bit better, but that's fine. Once that they have puffed up a bit and are lightly browned, move them onto something to then put the garlic topping on. So once the flatbreads are cooked, brush each with the garlic basil olive oil mixture. If you don't have an actual little brush, then just use a fork or a spoon. Now enjoy your healthy garlic flatbread. Now you need something to dip your flatbread in, so click one of these 2 videos on screen now to see how to make a Christmassy soup of your choice.